Warning: read and follow all labels and the owner's manual.
Disconnect the power pin from the machine and cut the wire. Remove the center fire nozzle and contact tip. Using a 1/2 inch wrench, loosen the center fire diffuser and remove by hand. Remove the neck insulator. If applicable, remove the power pin guide cap and pull the entire liner out of the gun. Loosen the power pin and remove by hand. Install the AccuLock power pin by hand and tighten to the specified torque. Install the AccuLock S liner through the neck. Ensure that you are using the proper neck insulator. With the liner fully seated in the neck, install the AccuLock S diffuser and tighten with a 3/4 inch wrench. Install the AccuLock contact tip and tighten with welpers. Install the AccuLock S nozzle and ensure the neck insulator is properly seated. Install the AccuLock S power pin cap over the liner. Ensure there is a washer in the cap. Install the AccuLock S power pin cap onto the power pin by hand. With the gun laying out straight, ensure the AccuLock S liner is fully seated and tighten the cap with a 1/2 inch wrench. Cut the liner flush with the power pin cap. Plug the power pin back into the machine and feed the wire through the gun.